In this video, I will show you how to create a stunning animation using only Canva. Stick around so that you can see all the necessary steps to create a stunning motion animated videos. And without wasting your time, let's straight get into the tutorial. Go to Canva and create a new video project. I will select this format. Now click on this element tab. Here you will find all the graphical elements for your design. Simply search what you are looking for. In my case, a nice background. Let me select this. Adjust its position. After that, we need car as a main element, but as you can see they are only static, but we need moving object. To do that, click on this three dot, then filter animated only. In this way you will only get animated object. Now simply drag and drop the object in your design. Now duplicate the page. Then drag the background like this. You can place the main object however you want, because we will be using one of the Canva's most powerful tool, which is Match and Move Transition. To use this transition, simply click on this middle icon, then select Match and Move Transition. You can set the duration, remember guys. Longer the duration, smooth the transition. Let me increase the duration timing. Drag the playhead to see the animation. Nice, now we have smooth transition. Now let me show you a different type which is simple and effective. Go to Elements and search for your character. But first we need background. Let me select this as my background. Now search for our main character. But as you can see they are only static, but we need moving object. Click on this three dot. Then filter animated only. In this way you will only get animated object. Now simply drag and drop the object in your design. Let me also add another element and adjust its position. You can flip the object in opposite direction. Now it's time to animate the object. Click on this animate button. Then select this B icon. Now drag the element from one side to other. Select movement style to smooth or steady. And there you have it, a simple smooth animation. Now do the same for this car as well. Now for the last type. We will animate the background. Select the main element. Now background. Bring the background in front. Right-click, then send to back. Now instead of main object, we will animate the background. Finally, download the file in MP4 format.